Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 12, that is fill in the blanks. A number which has only two factors is called a dash. What is that? A number which has only two factors. We may take one example, suppose 2. You can write 2. Now you can write 1 into 2. Right? You see here that 2 has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Okay, and there is no other factor, therefore 2 is a prime number. Right? In the same way, if we write 3, we can write here as 3 is equal to 1 into 3. Right? And you see here it has also two factors, 1 and the number itself. That means 3 is also a prime number. That means prime number can be defined that it has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Therefore, we can say that a number which has only two factors is called a prime number, right? Therefore, a number which has only two factors is called a prime number. We write here prime number, right? This is called a prime number. Prime number. Right? Therefore, a number which has only two factors is called a prime number. Number B, a number which has more than two factors is called a dash. More than two numbers. We are taking one example. Suppose this is number is 4. We can write 1 into 4, or you can write 4 is equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2. How many factors are there? You see 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4. That means more than two factors. If a number has more than two factors, we call it as composite number. Therefore, we can say a number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Is called a composite number. C O M P O S I T E, composite number. N U M B E R, right? Therefore, a number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Number C, 1. 1 is neither dash nor dash. That means 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. We know that 1 is neither prime, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. Right? Number D is the smallest prime number. If we take 1, 2, 3, here you see we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The smallest prime number. Here you see 1 is neither prime nor composite, cut it, and 2. Here you see 2 is the smallest prime number. Therefore, the smallest prime number is 2. Next one, the smallest composite number. Here you see we have written 1, 2. The 1 is a neither prime nor composite. 2 is prime again. 3 is again prime. And here you see number 4. This is the composite number. Therefore, the smallest composite number is 4. The smallest composite number is 4. And the next one, the smallest even number. If you write what are the even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. For example, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers. And you see the smallest even number is, because 1 is neither composite nor prime and 2 is the even number, smallest even number. Therefore, you can say the smallest even number is 2, right? The smallest even number is 2. Again, you see, we are repeating the same, that is fill in the blanks, exercise 3.2. A number which has only two factors is called a prime number. A number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. One is neither prime nor composite. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest composite number is 4. And the smallest even number is 2. This is the solution of question number 12, exercise 3.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.